Hi techies, we're back with another video, and today we want to take the time to talk about all-around protection. The 24-volt power supply in your application is really at the heart of your automation. If you don't have 24 volts, then your PLC or your IPC or any other loads will simply not operate, bringing your application to a stop. So we want to take a bit of time to discuss how CTOP approaches this concept and how to maximize the availability for your application. Now it begins obviously with a good power supply where we can take AC and generate a 24-volt signal. But beyond just the power supply, we have a number of products built around this concept of how we can make sure that this 24-volt power is always there. Now it goes with three concepts. We have redundancy, buffering, and selectivity. And for each we have products. So let's begin with redundancy module. This is a simple device that's basically responsible for switching between the physical two power supplies. So should there be a issue, a classic one is maybe a forklift runs into one of your cabinets and destroys a power supply. This device is now responsible for switching from one power supply to the other seamlessly. So this keeps immediately your 24 volts available. The next one is selectivity. Now, people don't always think about it, but a major fault in your 24 volt supply is actually your loads. And when a fault or a short circuit occurs on one load, it can affect the others by bringing down the voltage. Now this device, the selectivity device from Siemens, offers the ability to separate the individual loads into their own protection circuits, and each circuit also gets a threshold. And this again protects any failures on the load side from bringing down your PLC, the other critical aspects. Now we have the last one is the supply of your mains network, and this is our buffering component. Now not all networks are as available or as stable as you'd expect, and we see that 80% of our loads, 80% of our applications have up to 20 millisecond cutouts in their supply. This affects your 24 volt supply. So what we do is we have a line of products. This right now is the UPS 1600, and it offers a secondary energy source, whether capacitors or with batteries, that fill these holes in. Now we don't just do 20 millisecond holes or power outages, we can do up to hours, offering you options whether you want to run your network completely for the rest of the remaining of the day, or just simply fill in those small gaps that you might run into. So I hope this gives you kind of an overview of what 24 volt all-around protection means for you and what we can provide for CTOP for your application. So we're going to have a bunch of more videos. Please, by all means, check them out. And if you have any other questions, our website is a great way to look into our products. Thanks.